One of the features of the new EVE Online store is the ability to add filter types to stock types to allow your customer to see exactly the products they want to see, whether their interest is in a particular manufacturer, or they're looking for particular sizes or particular colors, but also beyond that, to allow you to be able to put products in front of your customer that allow them to look and see products that are perfect for their type of diving, for example, whether recreational or travel or technical. I'm going to use the BCDs category here to show you an example of that. BCDs at the moment are underneath our scuba menu. And if I go to BCDs, initially, we will see that the filters we have are manufacturer, size, and color. And if I expand each of those, you will see that under manufacturer, all those manufacturers who we are using, their BCDs will be shown. And the same with the sizes that we have in our store, and the same with our colors. As I mentioned, let's imagine we wanted to put on a BCD type filter as well, and to distinguish between those BCDs we feel are appropriate for technical or travel or recreational diving. And this is how we can do that. We move to EVE, we open up our online store in data stores. I already have it open here, and we go to the filters tab. As I mentioned, under that scuba menu is where we will currently find BCDs. So if I click on BCDs and then click on the wheel, I will have the option to add a filter type. I'm going to create that new filter type of BCD type. That will then allow me to move to the filters tab, and I can enter in those three filters I spoke about of recreational diving, technical diving, and travel diving. Now I'm happy with that as the order to display. It happens to be in alphabetic order, but if I wanted, say, to make sure that travel diving was at the top of that list, I could give this travel diving a lower number, simply needs to be lower than either the display order I would give to technical diving or to recreational diving. In this case, I'm happy with that order, so I'll leave them as so that they will display in alphabetic order. I click Save on that filter type, and then select that filter type to go into my BCDs. Within BCDs now, you will at first see BCD type and then this not applicable. If I expand that by hitting the plus, and then select recreational diving. By right-click on recreational diving, I can then add those BCDs that I would wish to go into that recreational diving category. I could, of course, add all, or I could add a particular one. I can return to recreational diving, add items, and select, using the control and key and mouse, particular ones that I would like to have within that category. And now add, and you will see I have 4 items in that category. If I now want to add into the technical diving category, I right-click on the technical diving, hit add items, and let's say here I'm looking more at the backplate and harness system, so I would at the very least select these 2. I might also wish, as an example, to also select here this X-Wing harness system and add those into technical diving. And you will see that I now have the 4 products originally added in recreational diving, the 4 products into technical diving. The final category of travel diving, I could then again right-click, add items, And in this case, I'm going to select a whole group of items as per so and add. You will notice here now that if we look in recreational diving, we have the Axiom i3. You will also see that that is in travel diving, i.e. you are not forced to place one item in only one of your filter types. You can have an item that, if appropriate, would fall under both travel diving in this case and recreational diving. So it allows you enormous flexibility to make sure that with the filter type options you give to your customers, they will still see the products that you are most keen on selling. When I've finished configuring as I see fit, I hit save. And I'm just going to return now to the online store where before those changes, we simply had the manufacturer size and color filters. I'm going to refresh that page and you will now see that what we have here is an extra filter type of BCD type, and underneath that, recreational, technical, travel, etc. So as a customer, if I was looking specifically for travel diving BCDs, I could select travel diving, hit apply filters, and appearing now will be those items available for sale on the online store that I've put into my travel diving filter within BCDs.